monuments, right? The large automation. So I'll explain how that affects us here. All right, so still there were problems. The forces applied to the blade by the grinding were so severe that the blade was destroyed, if held by standard positioning fixtures, which concentrated a tremendous amount of forces at a few points on the blade. Therefore, it was necessary to encapsulate the blade, except for the area to be ground, in a low-temperature alloy to spread the forces evenly over the whole blade. Encapsulation conducted by a machine with a large vat of liquid metal, expensive molds, and long changeover times was a batch process. So it was necessary to take the encapsulated parts to the storage area until they were needed by the Bloom machines. This task was handled by AGVs, an automated storage retrieval system. There was another problem, which was the low-temperature alloy had to be removed from the blade after the grinding operation. Several sophisticated steps were then required to ensure that alloy was truly removed. These involved X-rays and an atomic absorption process using caustic chemicals to test for trace elements of alloy. Yet another problem was the changeover time needed for the Bloom grinders to convert from one family of parts to another because of the need to move layer after layer of automation away from the grinding tool in order to change it. 8 hours were needed for every changeover. The planners of the system apparently believed that extremely long run of parts would be possible, permitting completely automated mass production. But in practice, Pratt needed to make small numbers of a wide variety of blades. The long changeover times prevented this and required the production of large batches of each part type instead. Okay? So think about it. So the idea was just to make part after part, but obviously that's a push thought, right? Oh, I'm just going to make all these. That's not what they needed. They needed smaller sections, so if they bought one blade, they needed another piece to go with it, right? So it'd be like, all right, we can make tugboat tops, but what about the bottoms, right? So we got to make sure that it makes sense and they match together. So we want to make sure that we look at it. So that's why we have to do more changeovers more often, all right? Also, monuments are, everyone noticed how we hooked all the presses up, right? We can move them. They're not permanent. If it needs to go into another value stream or into a cell, it can be moved. That's why we want to make sure we can do that, okay? And also we also looked at jobs, and we get jobs in, and all of a sudden it'll be a special type press that'll only be used for that one job. We do not quote those. Because what good is it after that job's gone? We have no use for it, all right? Even if they say it pays for itself, and with the machine, with the job, what do you do with it afterwards? Okay, it takes up floor space, takes up other things. So we're making sure that we have flexibility in what our customers need.